And we are live. Yep. Pretty sure. Skater. What's up, Skater? Mud Pie, hello. Sandra, howdy. We're going to play a game tonight. I hope. Of course, I'm eating cornflakes at the moment. I got something for dessert over here, though. Wow. That's weird. Hey, cat. That's right, Skater. Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Ooh, I need to change that to a live chat. I get tickled at people who say, I want to change that to a live chat. And I don't care if I see anything or not. It's you too. They can't see you either. Not just everybody else. It's you too. I probably am slurping it because I'm starving. Jump, jump, jump. Hey, Jasmine. Oh. Wow. That's a lot of people getting in quick. I watched these numbers and they were 0 when there's 5 people here. They went to 4 and 2 more already came in. That's crazy. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. You need a bib. I do. Hey, Lois Sam. Good to see you this evening. I'm getting ready to play a game. It's called Guess the Mystery Sound. And I have the mystery sounds ready to rock. Except I'm eating right now. Too early. No, it ain't too early. We're getting there. We are getting there. We'll have guessing games. I hope so. Hope everybody does. Oh, I dreamed of this one in my sleep. Oh, John. Welcome. That's John Games. He's got John radio show. Got just John, and he's got John. You got a lot of Johns, John. I'll tell you that. If Ruby get here, she can appreciate it. No one else can, but Ruby understands me. Ruby, please come. Long Johns too. Yeah. Dang it, Jasmine. Well, I just took a bath, put on clean clothes, but that's all done now. I'll be fine, maybe. Let's see. There's another one. There's John John's Pirate Radio. Okay, we're at 10. Do I get a dozen? Can I hear a dozen coming up? 10, got 11, 12. 11, 12. Got 11 right there, Dave. Dave came right in the door. Thank you, Dave. We're looking for 12. We're looking for that 12 person, Dave. We're going to play a game. It's called Guess That Sound. And I'm hoping Bob will be here because he's really smart. Okay. I'm going to confess, Dave. I just want to see Bob's new boobs. That's what it is. All rise for Dave. We do that for Grizz too. Hey, Paranormal Mama. Hey. Yeah, heck yeah. Bob went for plastic surgery. Yeah, he got new boobs. I saw Dave put them on him. Wait, that didn't sound right. Y'all know what I meant. I thought I'd have a little snack. Okay, if y'all ready to start this game, I don't know. Type 1. Just like that. Yeah, Bob got new boobs, Paranormal. Mm-mm. Oh, I take it that's a yes. Okay. Where the man moves like Green Bay. Oh, oh, thank you, Dave. Thank you. Uh-oh. I blew it on that. Gotta get the chat back, y'all. Have a problem. I'll have to read the chat over here, I guess. My chat went blank. I can't explain that either. I'll try to carry this on. Oh, that was weird right there. What just happened? Let's work around it. Y'all, the chats went weird on me. I can't explain it. It went blank. It's sitting right in the middle of the screen. It's where I need to be to make this work right. Okay, I got it now. I got it. First sound, y'all. First sound. Happened again. I can see the chat, but I've got to. Try doing this. That'll work right there. All right, folks, let's see if you can name this sound. The first sound. Does anybody know what that is? Play it again. That one's going to be hard. It's an instrument, yeah, but that's not what it's looking for. It's looking for where that sound is played. That's it, Sandra. You got it. And do you know the name of it? It is the entrance to a movie. Yes, it is. Not sitar. Nope. That one's going to be hard. I knew it was. It's the first one. The rest of them, I don't think so. Maybe not that hard. I'm going to give y'all a hint. No, I can't remember. It's DreamWorks Studios. It's DreamWorks Studios. It's the beginning to their movies in DreamWorks Studios. That one's hard. Number 2. Fiddler on the Roof. It could be. Scary. You may be right. Now, that may be the fiddler. He's just playing something different. I don't know. Creature from the Black Lagoon. Yeah. Could be. Cornbread. I hear a mouse clicking. I hear a mouse clicking. It's my mouse clicking. Yes, I need to turn the radio down. Oh. Thank you. High Plains Drifter. I don't think that's it. Yeah. All right. Second sound. That's the same one. We'll get to the second one. Second one. That one should be pretty easy. Does anybody know what that is? Not that. Shoot, I went too far back. This, right here. That's it. Jeopardy. Coping Alone got it. Dave got it. NASA Spaceship. It is Jeopardy. It's the Jeopardy answer board. Jeopardy answer board is what it is. Time to snap into a Slim Jim, y'all. Speed dial on the telephone. That's a good guess, Cornbread. Sure is. Oh, that's a good guess. All right. The third sound. Oh, I bet y'all would know that one. Everybody got that. Pac-Man. His death. Exactly. Pac-Man dying. Yes. Yes, that's exactly right. Everybody said Pac-Man. Just me said Pac-Man death. That's right. Fourth sound. Not that one. I don't know what that is myself. Might be. Let's see what it is. Ooh, who said that? The computer turning on. Mac. It's a Mac turning on. It is. That's exactly what it is. Jasmine got that one too. A Mac turning on. I didn't even know it. I mean, I got Windows. Sound numero 5. Oh Lord, I know that one. Anybody have any idea what that is? If you ever watched TV, you probably know what that is. Not this. Exactly, Cornbread. Law and Order. You got it. I didn't even wait for it to say that. I know that's what it is. Law and Order. Okay. Let the lag catch up. Law and Order. Sound number 6. Oh no, wait. Actually went to the wrong one. Sound number 6. Not the Law and Order. This one. Anybody know what it's saying? Nokia ringtone. Apple. Let's see. iPhone default ringtone. iPhone default ringtone. Holy cow. Jasmine got that one too. Out of all of it. Wow, you're good at this. Okay. Sound number 7. Pentium. That's a good guess, Skeeter. Holy cow. Number 7. Hey, Brian. What's going on, bro? Good to see you this evening. We are playing a guessing game. I see that. Anyway. Sound number 7. Whoa. Anybody have any idea? Because I don't. Wouldn't be a bit surprised if that ain't it. No, but it's a big company though. It ain't AT&T. That's gonna be hard. Intel. It's Intel. Yay! Skeeter got it. Sandra got it too. Yay! All right. Skeeter got it first. Way to go, Skeeter. Sound number 8. Where am I? Okay, it must be pretty close. I got the chat stuck. Sound number 8. Sound number 8. Hey Steve, welcome, brother. I don't have a clue what that is either. I don't remember ever hearing it. Yes! Sandra got it. It's Disney. All right, Sandra. Way to go. It is Disney. Philharmonic Orchestra. I hear you, Skeeter. I hear you. All right. That was Walt Disney. This is number 9. Number 9. Any ideas? I hope y'all got an idea, because I sure don't. I have a feeling you might be right there, Skeeter. Now that you mentioned it. Donkey Kong Mario Dies. Bingo, Skeeter got it. Donkey Kong Mario Dies. Whoa. We did Pac-Man already, Steve. Sure did. Oh, sure did. Sound number 10. I thought I was in the Matrix for a second. I was lost. You may be on to something there, Paranormal Mama. You may be on to something. I don't know what it is yet. Oh, I do now. No, but you hitting all around it, Jasmine. And it is a scary movie, but this is one of those television programs that played over and over and over. We had all the sequels to it. Everybody got hooked in it. And if you hear people talk now, they will say this is one of the best television programs of recent times it's been on. It was amazing to watch. The way it ended, the way it kept you in suspense was incredible. Does anybody have any idea which TV program it was? Not the X-Files. No. These people were stuck out on this island by themselves. And it was weird the way they got there. No, not Golden Girls. Stuck out on that place. Lost. Paranormal Mama got it. It was Lost. That's what it says. The Lost intro. That was the intro to Lost. Mostly Rick too. I hear you. Thank God, Sandra. Thank God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Sound number 11. Let me give it a second. Lag to catch up. It was on TV several years back. The Lost series. You hear people talking about today saying this is one of the best ones they'd ever had. So, sure did. Sound numero 11. Rick is slurping. What? Rick is slurping and other things, I think so. Huh? Probably the other things. For sure. Oh my gosh, I still ain't got up where it made me choke. Sound numero 11. Oh boy. We've all heard that before. Bingo, Tara. Tara got it. It's a Windows open. Oh, wait a minute. Sandra got it too. It says Windows Startup. It says Windows Startup. So technically, Tara got that one. Technically, she did. It is the startup to Windows XP, is what it says. It sure is. Hey, Tara, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have number 12 coming up. Hey, Howie, welcome. How many people we got here? I can't see it. Any idea? Don't know why I can't see it either. It's weird. Oh, I see. Yes. Yep. Okay. Cool. And we are on number 12. Mystery sound number 12. I think we might have been hitting around that one all night tonight. Maybe. Sandra got that with NBC Chime. It is the NBC Chime. Hey, fat boy, what's up, bro? ABC, I'll be asking. I'm greased, no be. Whatever. It is the NBC Chime. That is what it is. Us internet people don't get a lot of NBCs. We kind of shied away from it. This program was a film presentation by NBC. Number 13. I have no clue what the answers are. Me either. I'm looking at them. Until they put them on the screen, I don't even know. Number 13. Number 13. Give it just a second. And let the leg catch it. Our 13th sound. Whoa, that went by like quick. That's all we got. I'm probably thinking the same thing I am. What the heck? Maybe, Chad. Maybe. Look at there, Brian throwing a mater at Tara. It's her turn, Brian. Anybody have an idea? Message notification. I guess Jasmine wins it because it says AIM message sent. Shows a picture of a text message being sent. I don't have an idea what AIM means. If that's what it was. Kids texting from. That's probably right, Kelvin. That's probably exactly right. Mine don't make that sound. But that's what it says. AIM message, a specific. What did you say? A specific app. It could be. Sound number 14. Sound number 14. Give it a second. Do important things for a second. Take a bite of Slim Jim. Name that sound. Mystery sound number 14. Hey, I actually like that one. That's pretty cool. Any ideas? Kevin, what's up? We are guessing some sounds, Kevin. Number 14 is this. I wouldn't have guessed that. That's it, Kevin. Kevin got it. It's the Wheel of Fortune bankrupt sign. It's noise. I'm looking at the signs when I said that. That's what it is. Kevin has won. Dying on the game. It's a bankruptcy. That's what it is. Sound number 15. I didn't have no idea it was this many sounds in this video. No clue. Yeah, Kevin. Hey, Ruby. Welcome. We've been looking for you. I was talking about you earlier. I wonder where you was at, how you was doing. Welcome. We are doing a guessing game. Just like Sandra said, Ruby, we're guessing sounds. They are mystery sounds. We're on number 15 right now, and it's only halfway through the video, so it must be a boatload of sounds in this video. I mean a boatload of them. I'm going to do one more, and we're going to take a brief intermission because the host needs to go pee. Number 15, halfway through, I'm guessing it must be 30. Little old me. Yes, Ruby, little old you. Little old you. Now you guess me. Tell me what the sound is. Oh. Kind of sounds familiar to me. Not that one. I went back too far. This one right here. This one. That sound right there. Super Mario. Whoever said that first won it. I think that was Coping Alone. Mario at the end. That's it. Bingo. She got it. All right. Number 16. I will be right back. Oh my God. I will be right back. Oh. Howdy, 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 howdy. Oh, if you're just getting here, we are playing a guessing game called Name That Sound. We're halfway through it, I think. We're on sound number 16. Welcome, Grant, Simple Joys, Fat Boy. May have already been here. I don't know. I have no idea. Kevin is passing out fruit, drinks, and stuff. That's cool. It's a Saturday night, and I ain't got nobody. I got some money because I just got paid. And we're guessing number 16 sound. How I wish I had someone to talk to. I got awful away. Oh, I should have got coffee while we were up. But that was our midterm intermission. We had an intermission if you needed to. The Porta Johns is on the right. Hot dog stands is on the left. Dog is supposed to have been here serving hot dogs, but no dog. Well, don't look at me like that, y'all. It's my story. I tell it the way I want to tell it. And that's the way I'm telling it. Dog was supposed to be here set up selling hot dogs. And if y'all don't get no hot dogs in the morning, make sure you can, Teresa, if you go to Dogs in the morning, make sure you complain to him. Tell him, why weren't you at Rick's serving hot dogs last night? Everybody here, make sure you do that in the morning. You're supposed to have been at Rick's. He was having a trivia game last night, selling hot dogs. And we didn't find you nowhere, dog. Y'all remember that? Okay. I keep losing you. My internet. Oh no, don't lose me. Please, Teresa. Don't lose me. Don't lose me. Sound numbers. Gene, welcome. I knew some more people came in. I knew it. The number went. That's how I knew it. Welcome, Gene. This is sound, mystery sound number 16. Mystery sound number 16. Wow, I almost want to dance to that one. I don't have a clue either. I know y'all probably don't. Let's try it again. I hear you, kid. Hey. She might be on something. Tara might be on something. Mystery sound number 16. Mystery sound number 16. Now I gotta wait for it to see what it is. Tara won it. It's Pixar. And the great thing about that, it was started by the one and only Steve Jobs. He sold it for millions of dollars to Disney. Pixar. That is so cool. So cool. Welcome back, Karen. Whoa. I forgot to say 17. It was Pixar. And our beautiful Tara has won the 16th one. Sound number 17. I'm clueless too. I don't have a clue what that was. Maybe Sam. It is. That's it. It's the Duracell copper top battery shutting in the commercial. That's exactly. Welcome, Sandra's Homespun Life has won the number 17th. She did.
Battery.
All right. Number 18. Oh. Number 18. Bunny wants. That's funny. No. We all do paranormal, mama. We all do. And this is mystery sound number 18. Ready. Ooh, that scares me. I have a feeling y'all gonna get that one. I ain't even gonna play it again. Bigfoot. I wonder how long before somebody put that in. Grant, I guess Eddie Grant's all the time. One of these days, the answer's going to be right. I know it will. Grant's going to have something Bigfoot to be the answer, and I'll be right. Eventually. I don't know what it is either. Let's see. Oh, I can't believe we didn't get that. It's the clock from 24. Yes, yes, Kevin, you got it in there first. Yes, you did. That's it. That's it. I have to wait on a lag a minute. Who was it? Mystery sound number 19. Number 19. Oh, I bet y'all get that one. Any ideas? Y'all hitting all around it. Y'all hitting all around it. It's Nokia. I don't know who would know that. I've heard the ring. Yes, Kevin got it again. The time I said it, you already had it. Kevin got it again. Kevin Bennett is the winner of number whatever it was. Way to go, Kevin. Mystery sound number 20. Mystery sound number 20. We've all heard that before. Ending of a movie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's probably right. Sony, Disney, Pixar, Universal. I don't know, I'll tell you. Tara's Crazy Heart. Our beautiful Tara has won again. That is it. All right. We are coming up. I should have counted them. I should have counted them all because this is a bonus round coming up. This is a bonus round. Yeah, but it's all in fun. Next time we do this, I will. I'll keep the score. The bonus round is +1 per sound. Oh, I don't know either. It's confusing to me. Second clue. I bet y'all will know that one if you've seen it. I'll give you a hint. He's a little round robot in a space movie that was extremely popular. Bingo, Dave. R2D2. R2DW. But you meant 2. Everybody got it. WD-40. WD-40. Sandra, really? WD-40. We wasn't gonna. Well, he probably needed some WD-40. The way he sounded, he's squeaking on it. Oh my God. That's weird. Okay. I bet y'all know that one. Yep. The MGM Ryan roar. Metro Godwin Mayer. Sitting there in the middle with a circle around his face when he does it. Okay. This bonus round goes quick because there's like 6 on the screen. It's going from one to another to another. I'm trying. Any ideas? Let's put my glasses on. That's it. Zelda. I didn't know what it was until I have to read it off the screen. I don't have no idea what Zelda is. No. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's weird. Oh, we've all heard that one before. Yes, if you watch the internet, you will see it on the internet. People will get up and tell you all sorts of things about their lives, all kinds of different people. And the last name of it is Talks. But this is the first name of that. Starts with a T too. I'll give you a hint. It's not DreamWorks, no. I gave you like an overwhelming hint. You can watch it on the internet. It's probably on television too, but Blank Talks. Any ideas? Blank Talks. It shows all these different people coming together in little square blocks with this name right in the middle of it. Tara Talks. It's TED Talks. Shit Talks. I know. It's TED Talks. You ever watched TED Talks before? TED Talks. Not Toss. Not Toss. That's my bad. My pronunciation was like way off. I'm like losing it. TED Talks. Learn to speak, Rick. I hear you. It shows a picture of a guy talking. Draw. Yeah. Southern draw. If you were keeping up with how many you got, if you know how many each one of you got, and you probably do. If you got 20 or more, you're a sonic master. If you got 13 to 20, you're a sound horn. 5 to 12, you're a tonal half-wit. And if you got less than 5, I'm sorry, I didn't say this. It's wrote on here. It's not me personally. Not me personally saying it. If you got less than 5, you're an auditory ignoramus. That's what it says right there. That's what it says. What do I know? We are down. We're at 53 minutes. The sounds of spaceships then landing with music. Yes, DreamWorks, Hollywood Squares. I'm watching it. When I clicked this other one, the chat was way behind. It's trying to catch up. That's what I'm reading. No, you're not stupid. Morning, Teresa. I'm the one that can't spell. I can't even speak, apparently. Oh my God. Anyway, I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try to keep it to an hour so we can mess around, talk for like 7 more minutes if y'all want to. It's still a few people here, almost 10 people here. If I keep these streams to an hour, they get watched. They actually do get watched. More than I would ever thought, you know. So, if I keep them 3 or 4 hours, not so much. Not so much. Some long ones I was doing. I'm going to bed and taking meds. I hear you, Cat. I shaved part of my hair. Oh no, you did what? Holy cow. We need to see that, Tara. After I eat Tara's food. I see what y'all doing here. Thank you, Sandra. I'm trying to kick it up a notch to go back to Pickerick 1 in about a week. So, I'm doing everything I can do to make them fun, entertaining, and I hope you enjoy them. We don't have as many people here. I've gotten used to that. I kind of like the smaller crowd. I mean, a lot of times on Pickerick 1, we would hit 30 people or more sometimes. Because there's a lot of subscribers there. It's getting hot in here now. And that's what we're going to continue to do. On Pickerick 1, do the live shows with entertainment. The ones that are awesome. You have a great community. Absolutely great community. There's no doubt in my mind this is the best community on YouTube. The greatest community on YouTube. Hands down, no question about it. $5 a plate, all you can eat for the honest rate. Yes, that's right, Kevin. I hear you. He's selling food. Don't forget in the morning to tell Dog. We had a sound trivia game last night at Pickerick's. He was supposed to be there set up selling hot dogs. And he didn't show. Make sure you tell him. Thank you guys so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. You people are awesome. How's your mystery garden coming on? That's twice I've been asked that. It's I don't know. I need to go check it. How it's going. I don't have a clue how it's going. I really don't. Thank you guys so much. You are awesome. Thank you to all our moderators. I really appreciate you coming and doing what you do. Oh, it's hot. You guys are cool. I will see you in the morning for the next live stream. And we'll see you in the stream. Hope you guys have a great night. Appreciate it so much, like I said. I almost forgot something. You kidding me? I can't type in the chat. What the heck? Type in this one here. Till we meet again. Have a good. Wait a minute. Make sure this thing's. Have a good. Wait a minute. Till we meet again. Have a good day. Bye, everybody.